Some of you may or may not like doing this, but I like starting my charcoal this way so I don't have any of the fumes from the chemicals you put in there to get it lit. That's the last I got of this charcoal. It's coconut, made with coconuts from CampMaid. It's pretty awesome. It's good stuff. Gotta get me some more. Well, I figured while I was waiting on the charcoal to get started, get me some of this Vanilla Black Cavendish. It's Lane Unlimited 2017. Thank you, Tennessee Bull. And be smoking it in my Kentucky Poker, Briarwood, also from Tennessee Bull. Appreciate you, buddy. Great YouTuber. Oh my God. This smells so good, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that in there. It's plum black. I cannot wait to fire this up. Oh yeah. This one I haven't tried yet. He gave me several of these. That's the thing about the YTPC. These people are very giving. They've given me a lot. And not just things or items, camaraderie, and talking back and forth. Watching my videos and me watching theirs. And I'm learning from them, and I don't reckon they learning nothing from me, but maybe they're having a little fun over there anyway. Just coming over to the corner, checking me out. Ooh, I see the smoke going. It won't be long now. As y'all know, I just puff. I'm like Bill Clinton, I don't inhale. Looks like it's ready. What I like about this thing, the handle don't even get hot. It's pretty awesome, y'all. Just the right amount. All right, all we got to do is put her on there. Give her a few minutes. She'll be good and hot. We'll be ready to fire it up. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. I haven't done it like this yet. I seen Survival Mindset. He done it. Justin and Jana. They're awesome YouTubers. Thank you, CampMaid. Thank you, CampMaid, for making this awesome product. And thank you, Matt, MBYR31, because he's the one that bought this for me and gifted it to me. It's pretty awesome. Looks like I got some mail. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Don't know if anybody's ever seen one of these knives like this before. I picked this up at a flea market. It's got a serrated edge on it. If y'all can see that or not. Doesn't have no names on it or nothing. It's a real long one. Man, this thing is sharp. And I love it. Picked it up for like $2. It's really, really nice. Anyway. Doing a little spam baking. Cue the music. yeah, just like that. She's hot. Put a little bit of peanut oil on here. Oh yeah. Check it out. Oh yeah, it's cooking now. I tell y'all what, if you like going picnicking, cooking outdoors, and you don't want to ruin your table, look at this. It's a wooden table. This could have been a plastic table. You can still cook out right on top of the table without worry of hurting it. All you gotta have is like a 12-inch Dutch oven lid, 12, 14 inch. These things adjust. Turn it upside down. You can cook waffles on this thing, pancakes, bacon. We fixing to throw some eggs on here in just a minute. Y'all go over there and check out CampMaid.com. I'll put their link down below. You click on that link and you go over there and you buy something, and when it comes up for a promo code, just say take 5, T-A-K-E, put a number 5 in there, and you'll get 5% discount. Yeah, it helps me out a little, but you get what you want, and I get a little help, and it helps me keep going around the corner here. It's pretty nice too to have this set. Now they do sell it at other places, big stores like Bass Pro Shops, Cabela's, places like that. Maybe even Amazon. But I tell you, and I know they do on eBay, this is awesome. I really enjoy this. This thing cooks really good. I've been wanting to do it like this since I got it. I had never tried it, and I seen Survival Mindset's video. He did a breakfast as well, and it just drove me crazy, and I had to come home and get out my set and do it myself. We got a little bit of nice weather right now, but it's fixing to turn off and be real stormy for the next 3 or 4 days, maybe even the next week or so. So we're gonna have a lot of rain around here. I don't know how many videos I'm gonna get in, but y'all get one of these. This is a 12-inch Dutch oven lid. It's a camp chef. I don't have a CampMaid Dutch oven, but I do have a CampMaid set, and it works with any of them. It doesn't matter if it's Lodge, Camp Chef, CampMaid, I mean Cabela's, any kind of, even the Chinese made Dutch ovens, which I wouldn't use. It'll work with any of them. So it's pretty awesome. You can use any charcoal you want, but CampMaid does sell that coconut charcoal, and it's really hot and it lasts a long time. And it's not real hard to start up if you got a gas, if you got a gas starter. Most people on their grills, they've got a side starter, a side grill, like a burner. You can just set that thing right on there and it'll have it going in no time. But if you want to use the lighter fluid, you can do that as well. All right, y'all, I gotta turn this over. Y'all go check out CampMaid.com. Click on that link. Get you something. Help me out. And we're all cooking just like we do on the corner. Get over here where the getting's good, baby. All right. Go ahead and plate up the rest of this Spam. I can't wait to try this stuff. I mean, Spam with bacon? Come on. Oh yeah. Put a little bit more peanut oil in here. Man, this thing's cooking good. It's hot. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. And y'all notice these are fresh eggs. Oh yeah. Oh man. It's not Jimmy this time. It's little Susie, Aunt May, and Uncle Joey. He's frying now. I love this cook set, y'all. This is awesome. I'm telling you, if you get one of these and you go to the campsite, picnic area, wherever you go, people's gonna come over and ask you what you're doing and what you got because they've never seen nothing like it. You know, maybe some of them won't, but I bet you they will. And if I ever get off the corner and go somewhere, maybe somebody will do me that. They say, "What you doing that big old flop hat in it? 115 degrees out here." I say, "Cause I'm a YouTuber and I love it." All right, y'all. The eggs, it's like it. They're done. Let's get the eggs. Oh yeah. Woo! Everything's looking so good. Oh boy. Check it out. Oh yeah. This is awesome. Guys, what I'm eating here is this is like wheat bread, but it's multi-grain. It's got all the grain stuff in it. Really love this bread. It's really thick and it's moist. It's awesome. I mean, it's not Ezekiel bread, but it's close. As close as I'm gonna get anyway. And of course, Duke's mayonnaise. Love Duke's mayonnaise. Gotta have a little Duke's mayonnaise on your bread. That's just me. I said a little, didn't I? All right. Put the extra in the eggs. And what would eggs be without a little bit of mild cheddar cheese? Oh yeah. Put some in the eggs. Put a little bit on the bread. You know what? I'm gonna toast this one because she's still ready to cook. Oh yeah. Check it out. I love doing this kind of stuff, guys. It's awesome. And I appreciate y'all coming by and watching me. Thank you, CampMaid, for allowing this to be possible. For making this awesome cook set. This video is officially sponsored by CampMaid. Guys, I gotta try this. I even got a little crunchiness on that. This is awesome, y'all. It's got bacon in it. I think Carolina Chris cooked some of this already. Anyways, check it out. Oh golly, the goodness. The goodness. Oh yeah. That's hot. Woo! I mean, look. Look at this plate. Look at this big old sandwich. When you're out camping somewhere, picnicking, whatever, and you got food this good, it makes everything that much better. Oh, and I like the blue-eyed Mexican on my eggs. I do like Texas Pete. I do. But I love the old Tapatio. Tapatio, if you want to be correct. Blue-eyed Mexican. Oh, yeah. I'm eating his cousins. This is. I know that's brutal, y'all. And chickens are over there watching me eat their kin. Oh my God. Look at that. Y'all wanted that, didn't you? That little piece fell out. Somebody was begrudging me of that piece and they wanted it that bad it jumped out of the sandwich right there. Guys, this is awesome. I appreciate it. Got a little mail to open up right here. I love it. Y'all go check out CampMaid.com. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It says, Cal, here's my new sticker. Keep your videos coming. Buzz. Check it out. Oh man. I got his new sticker, y'all. Buzzsaw. I'll put his link down below. Listen. And he give me 2 of them. Check it out, man. It's awesome. I love that, man. That is a very beautiful sticker, man. I'll put a close-up somewhere in here so y'all can see this a little better. That is awesome. I really like it. Y'all, he does every bit of this. He's in the NRA. And he's got a tractor. He cuts trees. He's one of the smartest good old boys I know. He can do just about anything. He used to be in the Navy. Man, that's awesome. He's got a YouTube channel, of course. It's awesome. Motorcycles. I mean, he does everything. He's got his dogs. He work on radios. Oh my God. It's just computers. I've seen him take things apart I wouldn't even begin to take apart. He's really smart. I really like watching this channel. Now I don't watch everything. Hold on, I don't expect him to watch everything of mine. Or you. Just watch what you're interested in. So if you're interested in them kind of things, Buzzsaw, I appreciate your service. Because he was in the lifeguard. And he saved a lot of lives in his time. Y'all go over and check him out. Tell him Calvin's Corner 72 sent you. I got some groceries to eat. If y'all was over here, y'all could have some. But you ain't. I'm gonna have to put this away. Y'all come back and see me. Get over and get you some CampMaid. Y'all get back here on the corner where the getting's good. I love my job. Buzz, brother, you is on the board. Oh yeah, on the corner, right next to old Cutworm. Big Dog Leather.